तो object पनि दुई किसिमका छन् object दुई किसिमका छन् direct object indirect object sentence what is the general structure of a sentence English sentence subject verb object okay subject is the one who does the action right the dog carried is the verb the action is carried who is carried the dog so therefore dog is subject dog is subject what's the action carried so this is the verb if I ask a question what is being carried के बोकिएको छ भनेर मैले क्वेशन सोधे
The ball.
Answer आयो नि the action is on the ball the action is on the ball the action of being carried is happening on the ball right action के माथि भएको छ कुकुर माथि त भएको छैन कुकुरले त गरेको हो तर कुकुरले कला बोकेको छ ball so the action is happening here so therefore this is object right this is the sentence structure so the subject is acting on the ball the subject is acting on the ball it is direct object it is called as direct object when the subject is directly acting the one on which the subject is directly acting is called as the direct object direct object भनेको के रहेछ सब्जेक्टले सीधा को माथि काम गरेको छ बोक्ने काम केलाई गरेको छ वर्बलाई त्यही भएर डाइरेक्ट के डाइरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट हो के हो डाइरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट बॉल बॉल कस्तो ऑब्जेक्ट हो डाइरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट हो to see the difference let's have a look at the other sentence he gave me the ball what's the action here give is the verb that's the action so here verb who is doing this action he this is the subject right subject now he gave me the ball me is also an object it's a noun similarly the ball is also a noun that's also an object there is one ball there is me these are two different objects isn't it these are two different objects this is one here and this is another one here now he gave what did he give
the ball
he did not give me उले मलाई दिएको हैन के मलाई त दिएको तर मलाई नै लगेर कसैलाई दिएको हैन उले दिएको को कलाई के हो बल के उसले मलाई उठाएर लगेर दिएको did he pick me up and give to someone what did he give the ball to whom
to me
so he gave the ball is
object.
What kind of object direct object giving has been done on the ball lady giving has been done on the ball hey raja pay attention केमा दिने काम के भएको छ बलमा भएको छ therefore this is direct object to whom to me this is indirect object yo दुईटा object दियो के what did he give ball so directly connected दिने काम के भएको छ बल भएको छ दिने काम के भएको छ बल भएको छ बोक्ने काम के भएको छ बल भएको छ त्यही भएर the ball is direct object कसलाई बाँकी रहेको कसलाई मलाई उलाई त्यसलाई जसलाई this fellow that fellow it could be me it could be him it could be that so that object is called as indirect object the work of giving does not happen on me it comes to me but giving what is he giving the ball what is he giving the ball what is he giving the ball that's why the ball is direct and me is indirect I am receiving the ball okay now let's have a look at these examples here the man is subject right the man is subject gave his verb and then his wife is the man gave his wife
His wife.
Direct
Object. His wife. His wife.
Direct object. Make a direct object.
oh yes did the man give his wife to somebody no
Necklace.
he gave necklace to the wife giving has been done on the necklace so therefore necklace is direct object baba direct दिएको त उले necklace हो दिएको त बुढी दिएको हैन के हो यो direct object direct कसलाई हो कसलाई बुढीलाई यो चाहिँ के हो indirect object यो कुरा बुझ्नु पर्यो है यो सेन्टेन्समा ध्यान दिएर सुन इन्डाइरेक्ट अब्जेक्ट त्यहाँ छ ठीक छ दिएको कसलाई हो वाइफलाई हो तर दिएको को बुढी त दिएको होइन नि पुरुष छ नि हैन पुरुष त्यसै अनि she stood at the bus stop for an hour she के भरा subject stood verb
At the bus stop.
she stood what did she stand okay ubin hour ubin she stood an hour
The bus stop. Bus stop.
At the
At the
she stood the bus stop ubin here the man gave what did he give necklace
She stood at.
she stood bus stop
She stood at the bus.
At the bus.
hey baba ask yourself what did she stand nothing she stood that's it there is nothing to be stood on in some ways the action does not happen on something standing does not happen on something right giving happens what did the man give necklace what did he give necklace what did the dog carry the ball what did she stand nothing so there is no direct object there is no direct object in this sentence or indirect also and then KP only sent me a letter in a mail KP only fellow
A letter. Direct.
this is the subject
Subject.
what did he send
Letter.
a letter what is it
Direct object.
direct object
Me. Indirect.
who
Me.
me therefore this is
Indirect object.
excellent
In a mail.
that is a complement okay that will discuss so this is how you should be able to figure out what a direct object is what an indirect object is okay all right have a nice breakfast or tiffin time